Hey, second grade, it's Miss Barboza, and this week we're back with Wheatley Writing Time. It's Wheatley Writing Time. So this week we have a Wheatley writing video. Now, I'm super excited to get to do writing with you guys because writing is super important. So let's get right to the lesson. So our objective for this week is Kipsters will be able to organize ideas for an opinion text by outlining. And we make sure we know that good writers make an outline before they draft an opinion text. And an opinion text starts by sharing the opinion, supports it with reasons and evidence, and ends by telling the opinion again. So some of you guys watching this video are like, Miss Barboza, what's an opinion? Well, guys, I'm here to tell you. So an opinion is what you feel, think, or believe about something. Again, it's what you feel, think, or believe about something. Everybody has an opinion. They can help you decide and make a choice. They can be about what you like, what you dislike, where you want to go, what you want to do, who you want to hang out with, what you want to eat. Anything like that can be your opinion. And when we think about opinions, I want you guys to remember this important thing. An opinion is what you feel or believe. It is what you feel or believe. Very good. An opinion is not a fact. I can't go into an encyclopedia that has a bunch of true hard facts and find my opinion. But I can use the information in the encyclopedia to make my own opinion. For example, if I look in an encyclopedia and I find facts about snakes and about how big they can get and how they slither around and how they eat their food, I can take those facts and then I can say, I don't really like snakes because they're kind of scary and slimy. Now, me not liking snakes is my opinion. It is not a fact. A fact about a snake is that it can get up to 20 to 40 feet long depending on the type of snake. That's not an opinion. That's a true fact. So we always want to make sure we know the difference between facts and opinions. So now we're going to play a little game about your opinion. So I have some fun either ors. So I want your opinion. So you're going to say it out loud after I show you. Do you like fall or spring? What is your opinion? I'll give you a second. Do you like fall or spring? You have to pick one. My opinion is I love fall because it starts to get cooler outside. You can drink hot chocolate, you can go on hay rides, and you can wear comfy sweaters and boots. So that's my opinion is I like fall. Here's the next one. Do you like pools or the beach? My opinion is that I like the beach more because the beach is, you can sit in the sand, you can look up at the sky, and you can go into the water in the ocean. So I love the beach. What's your opinion? Do you like math or reading? Math or reading? Well, I love reading. Because I love reading books, and I love writing, and I love teaching about Wheatley reading and writing. Do you like dogs or cats? What's your opinion? I love dogs. Because dogs, I have 2 dogs at my parents' house, and they're just so cuddly, and they love to play with you and give you all the hugs and love. Here's our last one. What's your opinion? Do you like cake or cupcakes? love, this one's a hard one because I love both cakes and cupcakes. So that's my opinion. I love cakes and cupcakes. So I'm going to pause right here, and I want you guys in this Google form to type and let me know that you know what an opinion is. So I want you guys to type what an opinion is, and I want you guys to tell me one of your opinions from this activity that we just did.